What's up guys, it's Jailbroken Tech here to show you my top Cydia tweaks of 2012. Okay, so my next tweak is called brightness icons. It can be found in Cydia, and they just appear as apps on your screen, and you can toggle brightness up or back down, and that is the simplest one. And that is brightness icon. Next is it's in your winter board. They're just a whole bunch of themes. You just get themes from Cydia. So once you download any theme that you would like, you go down to winter board. Then it'll be your top selection. It says select themes, and all of your themes will be listed down below. So let's say I want my Minecraft battery theme and lock screen. Then I'll go back. You can either click respring or just go to your home. Okay, so here is my Minecraft lock screen. So here's the battery icon, which if you unplug your device, it will just be a simple Minecraft layout, and you unlock it, which is just your tools basically, and it swipes through all of your tools, and there's your background, and that's it for winterboard themes. Okay, so my next tweak is called Activator, which basically just comes along with anything you download, like Barrel. So Activator is in my jailbreak apps. Then click on it, and you can assign the home button to do anything. So say you want at your lock screen to triple press the home button, you can unlock it, which I already have that assigned. I just unassigned it. Unlock device. So you just 1, 2, 3, boom, and then at your home screen, I have it assigned to lock the device. So 1, 2, 3, and it's locked. And that is pretty much Activator. You can assign your home button for anything, pretty much. Okay, so my next tweak is number 15 on my list, which would be multi-icon mover. Go to your settings, download it from Cydia in the XLI's or Big Boss repo, and you have it down here somewhere. Multi-icon mover. Okay, so I guess it's not there, but you just click on it. You just hold it down to make them jitter, and you can select multiple. And say you want to put them over here, you just go to that page and press the home button, and they appear. Boom, boom, and that's basically it for multi-icon mover. Okay, so next on my list is called List Launcher. This basically just allows you to, instead of searching, you can either search, or there's the whole list of all your applications down here, and you can just scroll through them. And back to the top. So that's all the applications right there. And yeah, that's pretty much all you have to do. It can be found in your Big Boss or XLI's repo. Okay, so next on my list is called Page Pusher. With this app, all you do is you click on anything, and it basically flips like a page. So see the way it swipes up? Go to my general settings, and it flips open. And you just do that with anything. Go to my network, and then go back. It does all the same thing. And this can be found in your Big Boss or Xli's repo. Next on my list is number 12, infinite folders, which instead of having just 12 icons or applications in one folder, it breaks that barrier and allows you to have pretty much as many as you want. And so I go to my everything folder and I can just scroll through, and there's all my applications. And that's basically it. That can be found in Xli's repo. Next is called Infinite Board. This just allows you to have as many applications on one page as you'd like, which I have it turned off right now. Infinite Board. Okay, so vertical scrolling, you can turn it on, and you can just put as many as you want on one page, which I just choose to have the bottom 4 because it goes with this theme. But say I wanted to put some down here, it would work. I just load up the page and keep it going, and that can be found in the Xli's or Big Boss repo. Next is number 10, which is Infinite Dock, which allows you to have as many icons on your dock from, let's see here, we can go from one icon limit all the way up till 10, but the more icons you put on there, the harder it is to select or even see your icons. So I basically just have my 6 basic icons, which is just Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Winterboard, Cydia, and settings. You can put any icons on there, as many as you like, all the way up until 10. And that can be found in the Big Boss or Xli's repo. Next is number 9. It is called Gridlock, which allows you to place any icon anywhere on the page that you'd like. It still goes by 4s, like here, then here, but you can just put it anywhere instead of it being rows of icons. So say I want to do this, then take this and put it there, and like here, I can do that. And that is called Gridlock, which can be found in the Big Boss and Xli's repo. Next on my list is called Barrel, which is number 8. So Barrel can be found in the Xli's or Big Boss repo, and Barrel just gives you some animation when you switch pages. So instead of, you can set it to random, you can go cube, you can put curl away, page fade, stairs, icon collection, flippy, Pac-Man, pretty much anything, which I like it on random so I don't know what's coming. And you see that swivels out, that fades out, this like cube outside, all kinds of different ones. And this is really cool and can be found in Big Boss or Xli's repo. Next on my list is number 7, which is called Icon Renamer. So you just highlight your icon, you make a jitter, then you can double click on it, and then there you go. You can delete the name to make it blank, and I'll do that with my settings too to keep the flow going. Double click and then close it out and then apply. See, no anything on there. And that is Icon Renamer. It can be used with any app, And yeah, it can be found in the XLIs or Big Boss repo. Next is called Animate Battery, which is an app that allows the battery, instead of just sitting there doing nothing. Let me change my theme so I can show you guys the effects that it can do. Take that off. Let me just respring it. Okay, so it's back to normal, and instead of it just staying at whichever battery level you have, it flows through up into whatever you have, which mine is at 100%, so it'll just go all the way. So say you have 50%, it'll only go up to halfway. And that is Animate Battery. Next on my list is Boot Logo, which you can choose from a whole list of different logos from Cydia, and you can download it and it'll appear. It goes the Apple logo, then it goes the white wording that's for your loading for the jailbreak, and then right after that will be your custom boot logo. And you can go from sports to car logos to pretty much anything, to sporting teams, leagues, anything, bands. But yeah, it's really cool, it's really fun, and that is called Boot Logo. Can be found anywhere. Next on my list is called Fake Carrier, which you can go and download it. It's called Fake Carrier, all one word. You can go click on it, Fake Carrier, then you type in anything. So I'll do I jailbreak and then click set, and then you click your home button, and there it is up in the top corner. Let me show you that. It says I jailbreak, and that is pretty much it. You can type anything, just not too many letters, because then it'll just say some of it with ... at the end. And you don't want that if you're trying to make it custom. So yeah, that's it for Fake Carrier. Can be found in the search or any repo pretty much. Number 3 is called Face Slider, which you just go to it and you go down here. You can type in a text, so I jailbroken, and then you go on, and then you can pick from your saved photos, or you can the tech pack, which has like all different jailbreak things. Like set a slider. Now it says done. Lock to see your beautiful face, and then there it is. It says I jailbroken with the lime rain slider. It can be found in the XLIs or the search repo. Next is one of my favorites. It's called Graviboard. It would be under your settings once you download it, and you scroll until you find Graviboard. So let's go to settings, and there's Graviboard, and you can pick your activation method, which I like it when it's connected. So we'll go like this. We'll disconnect it, and then we will reconnect it. That's it, and they will go back when you press the home button, or when you click on an application, it will go back to normal. And that is Graviboard. Can be found in the Big Boss repo or Excel. My number 1 most favorite tweak is called Hacking with Friends, which you can basically just search for it and it will be there in Cydia. So it will be applied to your Words with Friends application. Okay, so once it loads, I'll just type random letters and it'll send me a message. It says not a valid word. It says play anyway, and you select yes or no. And that is it for Hacking with Friends. Can be searched for. That's it.